Hello everyone, today we are gonna learn how to create your car drift simulator using Scratch programming language. Let's start the game. Okay, I have here music player and I can the sound of have gears, have blankers, as you can see describe what happens inside the car. Let's start this. Okay. And I have flashlight. I have dark mode or light mode, blanking flashlight. Let's start. Okay, and embarrassing thing, I have turbo inside my car. Which makes the car smoke. Okay, and the drift also will disappear after 3 minutes. And I have gears. Okay, this is a game. Let's start coding our own game. I'll remove this and pick my own car. I will leave this car image in the description if you would like to use the same car image. Okay, great. Let's start by when flag clicked, and I need 4 variables. The first one, I will call it fraction. Okay, set it for all sprites and make sure it turns into 0 every time when you click on the flashlight. On the flag. Another one, which is velocity, for all sprites also. Make sure it turns into 0. Another one, which is x speed and y speed. Set all variables into 0. Okay, cool. Now I just want the car to start from the middle of the page, so I will set its coordination to 0 and 0. Okay, cool. Fraction, I will make a little fraction which is 1.1. Okay, cool. Now let's start coding by for a loop, and then I want to change the x speed and y speed by the velocity of the car, which mean when I start moving the car, I want it to start slowly moving, and then the speed of the car increase until it reached its max level. So I want to change the x speed and y speed of the car into the velocity multiplied by sine or cosine function of the direction of the car. How does that mean? I will explain it. Okay, I need the velocity multiplied by sine or cosine. Okay, what does that mean? Sine describes the x-axis and cosine describes the y-axis. So when I multiply the velocity by sine of the direction, this will allow me to change the x speed of the car by the velocity, and each time the car is moving, before it changes its direction, it will keep moving a little bit in the same direction while it turns into the new direction. Okay, what does it mean? It will be more clarify when the game starts, and I'll set this to cosine direction because it's y speed, and then I want the car to glide in the same direction before it turns into a new direction. So I will use the turn option from motion and divide the velocity by 3 or any another number, but I think 3 is okay. Multiplied by variable, I will call it s. You can name it any name you'd like, but I will call this variable s. Okay, cool. Now the car will still standing with any motion. Let's make some animation in the car. If I clicked on up arrow or down arrow, I want the car to move forward or backward. So let's pick the up arrow, and then if I clicked on up arrow, I want the velocity to start changing or increasing until it reach its max value. So I will change the velocity by a very small number, which is 0.05. I will duplicate this one, but using down arrow and minus that value for velocity. Okay, cool. Now I need to set x speed and y speed and velocity every time to a new value, so that when I raise my hand from moving the car or from the controls, the car will start moving slowly until it reaches 0, which means it will stop. So I will set the x speed and y speed into x speed divided by the fraction, x speed divided by the fraction, so that every time the x speed will be divided by 1.1 and decreased until it reaches the 0, so that 0 over any number will be 0. Okay, y speed, I'll change this to y speed, and another one for velocity. Great. Now I want to change the x speed, the x direction and y direction of the image or the car by x speed and y speed, so that the car can move. Let's try it out. Okay, great. That's cool, but the car doesn't move into any another direction, just upward and downward. Okay, let's make some animation. Let's pick if else, and then if right arrow pressed, I will change the s variable into a big number, like 30 or 35. 30. Okay, else I will bring if condition. If the key pressed where was any another key except left arrow, I want it to set s into 0. Okay, let's duplicate this one and change this into left and right. Okay, and I need this to be minus value, sorry. Okay, minus 30. Let's try it out. Okay, cool. The car is a little bit slow, but when I raise my hand it keep moving until it reaches 0. Okay, great. We can change this to 0.1 and minus 0.1. Let's try it out. Okay, this is much more better. And then you can also notice that it's glide in the old direction before moving into the new direction. Okay, cool. Now I think this is enough for the first video, so I will continue in the next video. So if you liked what happened in this video, don't forget to like my video. Thanks for watching.